Have to remember any password now. Google launched a new feature. You just click the settings and then scroll down, select the Google. Now select the account you want to generate the passkey. For example, I selected this one and then click the manage your Google account. Then scroll on the left, select the security tab, scroll down. Then here you can find out the bottom of the security code passkeys. You select that one and then click continue. Now put your fingerprint. So Google will generate automatic passkey with your phone. So your account will fully safe from the hackers, or any people cannot hack your account because it's access with your fingerprint in your phone.